Good morning, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to look at how to resolve a proxy server error. So you might see something like problem found, your computer appears to be correctly configured but the device or resource, so it could be DNS server or proxy server, is not responding. This is what we are going to look at today. So to start, you go to search and then you type proxy settings, and when the proxy settings open, you look at the manual proxy setup, then you click on edit, then you turn it off and save. And when you do that, you go back to the automatic proxy settings and turn it on. Then close your window and try to connect to the internet again, and you will see that your connection is active. That is how we resolve the proxy server is not responding error. Thank you.